さようでございます。承知いたしました。
Hey, it's Nene! Welcome to my Keigo learning class. I'm introducing useful phrases you could use on the business calls, and today I'll explain how to give responses to your client politely. These are the phrases we learned today, and they are very useful. I was using them very often when I was making call calls, so let's learn them together and express your respect correctly to your clients. First phrase.
さようでございます。
This means, you are right, or that's right. When your client asked you something, and if it was right, you could use this word.
さようでございます。さようでございます。
For example,
明日の3時ですね。さようでございます。明日の3時ですね。さようでございます。
そうそう、そうだよ。そう。
さようでございます is a very polite phrase, so make sure to use it only on the very formal occasions. 承知いたしました。承知いたしました。
You could use this phrase when your client asked you to do something. For example,
資料を送ってもらえますか？承知いたしました。資料を送ってもらえますか？承知いたしました。By the way, have you heard of かしこまりました before? It's a synonym かしこまりました and 承知いたしました。They both means I understand.
They are quite similar, but
かしこまりました sounds softer somehow, and it is often used at the restaurants or hotels. So, someone working in the service industry would use this phrase a lot. 明日の3時ですね。さようでございます。さようでございます。資料を送ってもらえますか？承知いたしました。承知いたしました。
That's all for today.
I'm introducing useful Keigo phrases you could use on the business calls, so please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.